Ayan, so bubuksan ko pa lang siya. Let's see kung bulak ba or something ang nasa loob. Okay? Oh, girl. Oh my gosh. Why it's plastic? What is this? Ayan. So, this is unboxing of Loxcent. Okay, guys? This is my first day. Day 1 review. Okay? Chart. So, talaga bang plastic talaga to na napakalaki? So, dapat pala yung supot nito sa labas, di ba? Ano nilagay ko dito? Ba't ang laki? Ano to? Is this really plastic inside? OMG. Right. Then, this is Loxcent. How many cups? We have 60 capsules per container. Okay. So, this is it. Yeah. Yan, ganda. How does it smell? Okay. Wait. Mabaho. It's mabaho. As in. I have one. It's mabaho. Really. So, ganyan siya. Sorry, sa kamay ko nag-focus yung camera.